Here they come. Should be coming around that corner any second. Oh yeah. Let's see how many are coming today.
A lot.
Man, just relaxing today. Man, yesterday they were stacked coming through here. I mean, it was just one after another after another. I kind of wonder what the delay is.